How to make my WhatsApp link device is primary. Ever wondered if you can make a link device your primary WhatsApp device? Let's break it down. WhatsApp always requires one primary phone, the device where your account is registered with your SIM number. Link devices like tablets, PCs, or secondary phones mirror your account but depend on that main phone for registration. So you can link up to four devices. They stay connected even if your primary phone is offline for a while. Linked devices let you send and receive message, but they can't replace the main phone. So if you want another phone to act as your primary device, you need to install WhatsApp directly on it, register with your phone number, verify via SMS or call, and this new installation becomes your primary device. Your old phone can then be linked instead.